Students, standard 6th English medium maths. We are busy with chapter 2 whole numbers. And in exercise 2.2 we have done first 3 questions. Now we are going to do the fourth one. It says find the product using suitable properties. Most of the time the property will be distributive property. Let's do the first one. It says 738 multiplied by 103. Now if you do it directly, it will take time. There is chances, if you forget to put zeros and 13, then there are chances of mistakes also. So what do we do here? 103 we can split like 100 plus 3 because multiplication with 100 is very easy. So here you can see that 103 is splitted into 100 plus 3. Now we know that when there is multiplication sign, outside, inside, plus sign or minus sign, we use the distribution of multiplication over addition. So here 738 will be multiplied with 100 also, and that 738 will be multiplied with 3 also. So now it is easier for us because here 738 multiplied by 100 we have to put only 2 zeros. 73800 plus here multiplication is very small, only 738 multiplied by 3. 8 3s are 24, 3 3s are 9 plus 2 11, 7 3s are 21 plus 1 22. So now just you have to add those two numbers and your multiplication is easier. If you do directly, then maybe you will take time and then it is boring also. Now only adding 4 plus 0 is 4, 1 plus 0 is 1, 2 plus 8 is 10, carry 1, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6 and 7. So your answer is 76014. So by splitting it and using the property, right? Here which property we use? We have to write down in the bracket distributivity. Here we use distributivity. That property we have to use here. Take the second one. Second one is 854 multiplied by 102. So here also same like this, we have to multiply, the splitting 100 plus 2. So now also 854 multiplied by 100 plus 854 multiplied by 2. So now 85,400 plus, now easy multiplication, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, carry 1, 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17. So now just adding them, you get 0 plus 8 8, 0 plus 0 0, 7 plus 4 11, carry 1, 1 plus 1 2 plus 5 7 and 8. So 87,108. That is your second answer of the sum. So by this way you can, here also we use the same thing, distributive property or distributivity. So you have to mention which property we have used. Similarly, we will do the another one, third one. It says 258 multiplied by 1008. 1008. So now also it will be easier. 258 multiplied by 1000 plus 8. So is equal to 258 multiplied by 100 plus 258 multiplied by 8. Here also we are using same thing, distributivity. So now, sorry, I have to write down 1000 here. So now when you multiply with 1000 you have to put 3 zeros. So 258000 plus, now we have to multiply this only, 258 multiplied by 8. 8 8s are 64. 8 5s are 40 plus 6 46. 8 2s are 16 plus 4. So 2064. So now adding them, we will get 4 plus 0 4, 0 plus 6 6, 0 plus 0 0, 8 plus 2 10, carry and 260064. That is your answer. So by splitting it and using the distributivity, the big products also become easier and our time is also taken less. Fourth one, 1005 multiplied by 168. 1005 multiplied by 168. So here also we can turn it like that, 168 multiplied by 1005 by commutativity, because we use distributivity property, then we need that number in the front. So now 1005 will be splitted in 1000 plus 5. So now 168 multiplied by 1000 plus 168 multiplied by 5. Here we are using distributivity. So now 168000 plus, only the small multiplication, 8 5s are 40, carry 4, 5 6 are 30 plus 4 34, carry 3, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 3 8. So now 0 4 8 and then 1 0 4 8 0 4 8, then 8 6 1. That is your final answer. Now fifth question. Fifth question is a word problem and we have to solve that. So we have to read it carefully and then write down and then think how to do that sum. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters petrol on Monday, and the next day he filled the tank with 50 liters of the petrol. If the petrol costs rupees 44 per liter, how much did he spend in all on petrol? So first we will write down what is given, that Monday he filled with 40 liters petrol. And next day means Tuesday. He filled with 50 liters petrol. Now the price of the petrol, rupees 44 per liter. Price of petrol is equal to rupees 44 per liter. It means Monday he spent 40 multiplied by 44 rupees, and Tuesday 50 multiplied by 44 rupees, because 1 liter costs rupees 44. So Monday he has to go pay 40 multiplied by 44 rupees, and next day means Tuesday he has to pay 50 multiplied by 44. So total money spent on petrol at all, we have to add them, means 40 multiplied by 44 plus 50 multiplied by 44. Now what will we do? We multiply this one, we multiply this one, and then we add? No, because we know the distributive property. You can see that 44 is common in both. So we have to take out that thing and use the distributive property. So 44 can be multiplied with the total of 40 plus 50. In the previous sum we do it like that. The 44 multiplied by 40 plus 44 multiplied by 50. Now we are doing the reverse, same thing. It's also distributive property or distributivity. So now it is easy. 44 multiplied by 40 plus 50, 90. Now you have to multiply only 44 by 9 and put a 0. So you can put 0 here. 9 4s are 36. Carry 3. Again 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 3, 37, 38, 39. So the answer is rupees 3,960. Here actually this is also not so difficult. But if there are big numbers, then to do that multiplication it will be very difficult. So rather we have to use the distributive property. So we don't have to do multiplication 2 times. Because we take out 44, which is common in both of them, and 40 plus 50. So addition is easy, 40 plus 50, 90. And then only to multiply 44 by 9 and then put a 0 behind it. And the answer is rupees 3,960. So for 2 days on the petrol, he spent this amount, rupees 3,960. Now we will do the 6th. It is also a word problem and nearly the same type. So we will see that a vendor supplies 32 liters of a milk in the morning. Right? The vendor supplied in the morning. How much liters he supplied? 32 liters. And in the evening, 68 liters. Evening time, he supplied 68 liters milk. Now, what is the price? The milk costs rupees 45 per liter. Milk costs rupees 45 per liter. So we have to check that how much money is due to the vendor per day. So now morning money due is $32 multiplied by rupees 45 because 1 liter costs rupees 45. So total money will be 32 multiplied by 45 rupees. Similarly, in the evening, money due will be how many liters in the evening? 68. So 68 multiplied by 45 rupees. So total money due per day will be the total of them, means 32 multiplied by 45 plus 68 multiplied by 45. So here also you will do the same. Here it is because big multiplication take times. So rather we will use the distributive property. 45 we can write down outside, multiply by 32 plus 68. We are using distributivity. Whenever you use any property, you mention that we are using that property. So now it is more easier. Look there. 32 plus 68, 8 plus 2, 10, carry 1. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 3, 10. So now it is more easier. You don't have to do any multiplication. Only put 2 0 behind it. So is equal to rupees 4,500. That is your last amount. So in our daily, because every house is getting milk every day, in the morning or in the evening or in the boat, then you know the price of the 1 liter milk, then you also can count your amount, that how much you have to pay at the end of the month, so that there is no mistake then. Now the last question is very simple. Question 7 you have to do in homework, because it is only match the column, means which property is used, and it is very simple, so I am leaving it for you. After this video you will get PDF file in your AB School app. So write down the things, do the homework, and any complaint, any problem, any misunderstanding, you can write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.